Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, today we are going to talk about how to make a Y2K poster on Photoshop. First of all, we must place the image that you can download it on the photo stock like FreePic, and today's photo I obtained from a FreePic. And after that you can go into select object, which is features that you can obtain by buying original one Adobe Photoshop. And after that we are see in the selection is not match with the object, so we must reselect again to select the object that not selected by the system. Use the pencil and then right click, and for the feeder radius go to 5 pixels because we want to make smoother border because it's like a blurry image. And then for the selection is to subtract the selection that we want to select. And after that we are going to click the layers, and then we're going to clipping mask. This clipping mask function is if you want to delete or you want to reverse the selection, you can just go to clipping mask layer. And after that we want to apply gradient mask. For the white we are going to apply the red, and for the lightning, which is black, we are going to fill with white. And after that you can just join these two layers by press Ctrl E, and after that you must change the object to smart object and adding a Gaussian blur. This smart object is to fully control your effect if you want to reduce the Gaussian blur, and duplicate the Gaussian blur, and the first layer is your duplicate. Try to remove the smart filter by deleting the smart filter. And after that going to blending option, and after that you're going to add some motion blur and change the blending option to lighten. This for the make blur effect more smoother. And then you're going to place the noise filter, which the name is color halftone. For the max radius is 8, but if you see this image, 8 is too big for the dots, so we want to resize the dots by lower the amount of to 4, and then change the blending mode to soft light. And after that you're going to add some highlight outline. You can click right and then go to blending options and search for the outer glow and change the color to red. After that you can place the background, which is you can obtain to at stock website, image stock website like this one. I use FreePic. And after that you can add the copywriting. I use Moga font because it the tall fonts I like used for the Y2K style. And don't forget to bring the font layer below the main object because we want to make the object like pass over the font. And after that we can make some adjustment to the font. And after that we can add some texture by search the footage on the photo stock like FreePic. This one I use FreePic, and change the blending mode to lighten, because I want to make the effect disturb the image. And after that I add some object to make this more Y2K, which is the chromatic spider, and I put this chromatic spider letter on the back of the object. And now I adjust some fonts and some placement because I want to make it more natural. And then change the blending mode into pin like and move the object behind, and move the spider chrome behind the object. And after that change into smart object, because we want to add some motion blur to make an effect that related to the front object. That's all. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to press like button and subscribe. Thank you.